To clean charging port on a Samsung S25, first of all, just be sure that you switch off your device and be sure that you have some thin wooden or plastic items. In my case, I'm gonna use this one to open this SIM slots, but I wouldn't actually recommend you to input any metal parts inside your port. I'm doing this on my own risks, but I wouldn't recommend you to do this also. So as you can see, that's how it actually looks in my case, and all you have to do is just to insert this part and gently try to swipe to the left side or to the right side until you remove everything. So just be patient, then you can try to do the same into this side, and now as you can see, looks like everything is fine. There's also some few additional pieces that I want to remove. Yeah, but now all is fine. That's how you can actually do this. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.